When it comes to motorcycles, Harley-Davidson holds a special place in every rider's heart. Known for their iconic designs, thunderous engines, and a spirit of freedom, Harley bikes often symbolize a dream for many. However, the common perception is that owning a Harley requires deep pockets. Today, we're going to break that myth by introducing you to the world of budget Harley riders. Whether you're new to biking or a seasoned rider looking for an affordable upgrade, there are several ways you can ride a legendary Harley without draining your savings. First and foremost, it's important to understand that Harley-Davidson has evolved over the years to cater to a wider range of riders, including those looking for more affordable options. Models like the Harley-Davidson Street 500 and Street 750 were designed exactly for that purpose. They offer the same rugged charm and road presence that Harley is known for, but in a more compact and wallet-friendly package. The Street series features a liquid-cooled Revolution X engine, which provides enough grunt for city cruising and long highway rides while being more manageable for beginners and intermediate riders alike. Another great option for budget-conscious riders is looking into the used Harley market. Harley-Davidson motorcycles are built to last, and with proper maintenance, a used Harley can be just as reliable and enjoyable as a brand new one. Models like the Sportster Iron 883 or the 48 are often available in the used market at very reasonable prices. These bikes combine old-school looks with modern performance and have a huge aftermarket community, meaning you can customize your ride exactly how you want it without spending a fortune. One of the biggest advantages of going the used route is that Harleys tend to hold their value better than many other brands. This means that even if you decide to upgrade later, you can often recoup a good chunk of your investment. Plus, there's something genuinely special about riding a bike that already has a few miles and stories under its belt. It's like becoming part of an ongoing legend. For those who love to tinker, building your own Harley from a project bike can be another fantastic budget option. Buying an older frame and sourcing parts either online, from swap meets, or through local dealers can be a rewarding experience, both financially and personally. You'll not only save money but also gain a deep understanding of your machine, which will help with maintenance and repairs down the line. A basic Sportster or an old Dyna model can be a perfect starting point for a project build, letting you customize the aesthetics and performance according to your own taste and budget. Financial planning is key when aiming to ride a Harley on a budget. Always factor in the cost of insurance, maintenance, gear, and possible upgrades. While Harleys are known for their durability, keeping a little reserve for unexpected repairs is wise. Simple things like oil changes, tire replacements, and brake services can be more expensive than a typical motorcycle, but they are essential for keeping your bike running smoothly and safely. Joining local Harley groups and online communities can also be a goldmine for budget riders. Not only can you find great deals on bikes and parts, but you'll also get valuable advice, support, and maybe even mentorship from more experienced riders. Harley culture is deeply rooted in community, and many riders are more than happy to share tips on where to find affordable parts, how to tackle basic repairs, and which models offer the best bang for your buck. Another smart move is to take advantage of Harley-Davidson's certified pre-owned programs. These bikes have been thoroughly inspected and often come with a warranty, giving you peace of mind while still saving a considerable amount compared to buying new. It's a perfect middle ground if you want reliability without the premium price tag. Lastly, don't forget the power of smart negotiation. Whether buying new or used, there's usually room to discuss price, especially if you're paying cash or financing through your own bank instead of dealership options. Every dollar you save at purchase can go toward customizing your bike or gearing up with the best riding equipment. In the end, Riding a Harley-Davidson isn't just about owning a motorcycle, it's about embracing a lifestyle and a community. And the good news is that this experience is accessible to anyone with the right approach, determination, and a little bit of smart shopping. You don't need to be rich to ride a Harley, you just need the passion, the plan, and the right bike that fits your budget and riding style. If you've ever dreamt of roaring down the highway on a gleaming Harley but thought it was out of reach, think again. Whether you choose a newer budget model, a lovingly maintained used bike, or build your own from scratch, your journey as a Harley rider can start today without breaking the bank. The open road is calling. Are you ready to answer it? Would you also like a second, slightly more casual or energetic version, depending on the style of your YouTube channel?